All right, day one, Mr. Buick Bob.
Do I look okay?
We look like we getting ready to restore a '66 Wildcat. So
Grand
far,
Sport.
what? Hold it now.
Grand Sport.
Grand Sport. Look at that.
Very rare car.
Very rare.
Somewhat rare.
All right, so walk me through, Bob, what you did so far. You got it over to my shop Saturday. Today is Monday.
What I have done already is took the body off the frame and stripped the frame down to nothing. We pour 15 the whole frame, and now we have put it all back together. All new ball joints. Everything's new. New brakes. New everything underneath. New shocks, new springs, new idler arms, new everything. Rear end has been redone or rebuilt.
What gears you put in there?
It's the original 342 posi rear end.
342.
That's all new there. New springs, new shock. The brake and gas lines are all original. We just wire wheeled them and clear coated them. They look like the original.
They do look pretty good there.
This has been cleaned up, rebuilt.
Who rebuilt that?
It's just been cleaned up.
Okay.
It seemed fine.
All right.
Cleaned up and cleared.
And
so
you
it
put
looks
new
like
brake. You put a new brake and booster on here.
new brake booster with a dual master cylinder.
So I noticed this car didn't come with AC, or did it?
It does have AC.
It does have AC. Why the box here?
I don't know why. I think this is a Denani seat.
Oh,
Because
okay.
it went further over.
Okay, okay.
That's where the blower motor's at.
Yeah, that's why I was wondering, like, didn't have heat and air conditioning because it seemed like the blower motor. Now, this car come from
We picked this up out of El Paso, Texas.
El Paso. Got a little, even though it's from Texas, it still got, you know, some of the problems that they have.
They have prone to.
And see, this piece here, we can't get this piece aftermarket or nothing.
No, they make these pieces, that piece, but they do not make this.
They don't make that piece. All right. So that means
Rebuild.
fabrication. All right. So we walk towards the back here. Car is really nice. Good floors. Gonna have console in here, huh? Shifter, console, buckets. All right. Floors are good. We're gonna pour 15 them all up, though. We're not gonna leave them like that.
The underneath floors are already done.
Get the dash, and now we're gonna go the color of the car with that dash, or are you going back black with it? How is that working? It'll be black too? Okay. All right.
We're going back to the original color.
Original color. So if you come in the back here, we did get this piece that was aftermarket, and that's gonna go in there, that back window. Texas car, but still,
They hold moisture back there.
yeah. We ain't gonna have that problem though, once it's clean, because it won't be seeing that much weather. But overall, really nice to start off with. Doors. So, the beginning of the '66
Long ride.
Wildcat GS.
Mm-hmm. First and only year for the Grand Sport.
First and only year.
Wildcat.
Now, you're the Buick man, so you know.
I've had a few.
You done partied a few too.
Started on a lot. I've killed a lot of cars over the years.
Oh man, but now we're gonna bring this one back to life
I'm
though.
gonna bring one back for once.
We're gonna probably bring a couple back to life, but
Yeah.
this is number one.
Yes.
Even though I've been doing this for a few years, been knowing Bob quite a few years and become friends over the years, and he finally got this over here, and we're gonna put it, and it's just in my little garage. It's nothing, it's not a big shop, just
Nothing special.
nothing special, but we're gonna do it.
But we make special things out of it.
We're gonna be all right. I done put some nice ones out over the years. All right, gonna sign off now.